So at the top front of the ship, you're gonna find Loft 19. Now, Loft 19 is an exclusive space just for suite guests. So it's one of the reasons why you wanna upgrade to those top suites. It's a really fantastic space. It's a quiet space, really, really nice and relaxed that you can enjoy anytime throughout your cruise. Now, I did want to point out that when we get around to the Cabanas here in just a second, guests who are not staying in a suite can pay to enter here, but only if you reserve a Cabana. You can do that day by day. On this particular cruise, it's $500 for up to 5 people for the day. So you can see what a fantastic amenity is if you're in one of those top suites. So now from here, you can see some of the beautiful spaces. You've got the chaise lounger and couch in the corner. You have these really nice, comfy, very, very soft loungers. So there's quite a few of them up here. There's quite a few suites here on board, but what I love is they've really expanded this space and they've made it into something that really is a fantastic upgraded amenity. So as we head on down, just for point of reference, we're heading over to the starboard side of the ship from the port. You do have some loungers that are looking towards the front right here, but a vast majority of them are looking out the side of the ship or all the way around the front, looking out the front. So you can see the first of the Cabanas right here. The Cabana is gonna have a couch inside there. You're gonna have dedicated service throughout your day. And then right here in front, you're also gonna have those loungers that are just for you. Now keep in mind that if you are in a suite and you want a Cabana, you're gonna get priority reservations, but that's not something that is included. So let's continue on back through the space. All along the front here, you're gonna find those loungers looking out to the beautiful ocean views. And then as we continue further along, you're gonna see these Cabanas. So the Cabanas come with robes, once again, that service that's really top notch. And as we continue through, you can see you've now seen about half of the Cabanas. So they wrap all the way around the mid part. There's also a few Cabanas just up in the front as well. So we've got more seats right here, looking down towards the Serenity adults only area. You have 2 large hot tubs. It actually has see-through glass looking out down to the Serenity area down below. Now, I did want to point out that this is an area where kids can come, but one of the big caveats of that is it has to be with an adult. And this really is an area to come, relax, chill, and enjoy the time. They're gonna have way more fun down in Camp Carnival, enjoying all of those beautiful spaces, back at the Carnival Waterworks, or of course, the Bolt roller coaster. But as we continue through the space, you see you have a couple more Cabanas right here to the side, looking back towards the Serenity area, and then wrapped all the way around the front, you're gonna find more of those really nice and comfy loungers. This is that part where you can go, relax, and get away from it all.